Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to switch accounts on WhatsApp quickly and easily. First, ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Look for the Switch Account or Add Account option. If you don't see it, you'll need to use WhatsApp's multi-account feature if available. Tap Add Account and log in with your second phone number. Enter the OTP sent to the new number and you'll be signed in. Once both accounts are set up, you can switch between them directly from the settings without logging out.